Did that just grab your attention? It did, right? You know why? Because it's different. Different from another talking head at least. So why do people still create images that are not being seen? Well, it's easy. They have no clue about marketing online. It's called banner blindness, or as I like to call it, image blindness. And it's been proven that moving images are 2 times more effective than still images. We are bombarded with websites, timelines, search engines, video thumbnails, and web shops that are all competing for our attention. And still we use the same boring methods that no longer work on our websites and social media feeds? Well, until now, presenting BanrAds Pro Agency, your animated banner design studio to create attention-grabbing image designs in minutes for yourself and for your clients. Getting clients will no longer be hard when you convert boring client websites into animated, lead-generating, and action-taking machines. Let me show you how 3-step simple it is to obtain a new client lead in an example. Step 1, Google dentist near me and check the ads. These entrepreneurs already spend money on ads but don't advertise with animated image ads, so they're getting ignored. Step number 2, go to their website and use their own artwork to make an animated image ad with BanrAds Animated Design Studio. And step number 3, create your animated design in minutes with amazing animation and send your artwork to your prospective client. It doesn't get much easier than this. With BanrAds, you can choose from hundreds of design templates and animate them to your liking. Simply customize them for your specific project, whether it's an advertising banner, social media cover, page header, channel art, video thumbnail, you name it. With BanrAds, it'll only take minutes. Animated designs are in high demand right now, and with BanrAds, you can start your own banner animation studio today, selling your designs in HTML5, JPEG, PNG, GIF, PDF, and MP4 formats. And better yet, if you don't want to do all the design and sales work, then just outsource it. Simply create a workspace to include an offshore designer, add the client, and let them work it out. But BanrAds doesn't stop there. You know how annoying it is to create yet another social media image at the right size, right? Well, BanrAds solves that problem with pre-sized image templates for any social media project. And if your clients need web banner or printable banners in various sizes, we have that covered as well. Simply choose the size of your design or an existing template, customize and animate it, and send the files or code to your client. Make sure you watch the demo below and get your own account today so you too can experience the power of BanrAds. Listen, you can pay an arm and a leg for each animated banner design so you too can be seen online, or you can pick up BanrAds for the price of just one custom banner design that you can buy on Fiverr. Use BanrAds to create designs and sell them to millions of online entrepreneurs starting today. And when you get BanrAds during this launch, we'll add some awesome bonuses to your package. Now, this offer, including the bonuses presented to you today, will go away and not be available much longer. So take action now using our 30-day hassle-free guarantee and join me in using animated image designs to grow your business faster than ever before.